next class, like, and how usually this data type is, how usually data type, and whatever the project you are create, you are yourself using a string in that project. Okay, any project with string, in that I tell you about the string slicing. A string is slicing, and I tell you some more interesting things about strings. Okay, I will be more about interesting. We will make play better than with, we will be play better with strings. Okay. Let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. How to do a slicing in Python, and let's suppose we have a string with name Ryan, and this string is made up of five characters, like and let's suppose you only want to access and so let's suppose I give you a string which contains a 5 name. Let me quickly open my REPL, explain about, and I am talking about. So I will be opening my REPL here. Here I will write name, like here we can write like name should be Ryan, and suppose I name the what I will be select Ryan, so I can do something like I will be write like Ryan. First of all, I will be Ryan, comma Ali, and now I will be write like that, and now Ali, and now I will be write. So I can do something like I will be go to the here, and here we can I want to select I starting 5 characters. So I will be write print should be names, and name should be like that, and now here we can write like that, and so I will be write like 5 characters for starting. So that first of all specify the starting index. So I will be write like 0 and 0, and now first of all wait, and now first of all I will be waited, and now first of all here you can write like that, and here whenever count something we start with 1. Okay, whenever I will be counting, like we count fingers, we count like 1 2 3 4 5 easily, and whatever we count we started with 1. Okay, so like I will be in programming, whatever you count it start it you will be start with 0. Don't start with 1, because the most of the programming languages it will start with 0. Now I started counting the 0, and I write here 6. Okay, here I will be write like 6. So it will giving the I will be write like 6. So here I will be write like 5, and now it will be first of all it will giving the one error. So what the error it is giving, I will be see print and comma, sorry, here we can write like name. So now it is good. And now here the layer my work is done. Now if hover on it, so now and hover on it, it should receive a lot of information, and but leaving this I will tell you how this works. So I will be run it. So it will the name will containing the I will be run it run. So it will the name is containing the RAYY. So why I will be 6, because my the name has 6. So now I writing a quite interesting tutorial for your here. So here is coming the Ryan, because the Ryan character has 6 alphabets. Okay, and now I will be telling you a length of string. We can find the length of the string using length function. And so before I like this tell you, so I will be erase it, and now here we can erase it, and here we can write like here we can write like len, and now len should be names, and name the output is you can and see is 30. Okay, so I will be go 10. Why the 10 is coming? Because the RAYYAN is coming the 6 alphabets, and the Ali is coming the 3 alphabets. So the 6 plus 7, 6 plus 3 is 10. Like you can give 6 and 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now, sorry, I have 6 and the Ali has 3. So like 6 plus 3 is like the 7, 8, 9 and 10. Why the 10 is coming? Because why the 9 the 6 plus 3 is 9, but the one another is this coming like the 10. What is one more? The comma is one more. That's why the 10 is coming like here. Okay, if the is coming like the 10 characters, and so this is how you can find the length of a string. And I gonna example here we can try it out. So I will be like go to the up and now I will be copy it. And I will be copy it and I will be enter, then paste, then we can and erase it first. And now we can run it. We will be run mango's 5-letter word, and here you can see the mango's 5-letter word is coming like that. So mango is made up of 5 letter. So mango's 5-letter word now basically string like an array. Okay, so I will be sequence of character. We learn this string video. Okay, we can access an element, explain you slicing. Leave the topic for now and just I have fruit and mango. Okay, fruit and mango, and I printed len 1 here, and now I will be printed like len 1 here. So I will be go here, we can erase it. Here we can write like I erase len 1 and or mango len. Okay, so now here we can write like I mango len, and now when we can run it. Sorry, now here we cannot run. It will giving the mango len 1. So now, square bracket so here we can coming like the mango len and not. Here we can erase this one. And now the error will be gone. Here you can see the error will be easily gone. So mango len, but it is the error is not gone, and mango len. So mango len, and here we can write the mango len, and now here we can enter press. And then I will be go to the here, and then here we can go, and here we can give like that, and here the big L, and here we can go, and here we can write like print. So it will be fruit, and then use a bracket, and now here we can see it. Here we can write like that. So you are done, and you will print it for functions. So now I will. And keyboard square brackets are on the right of the P letter. Okay, right on the P letter. Look them on your keyboard. And then let's suppose if you write the print fruits 0s and 4. So I get a 4 characters. What characters? 4 characters. Basically from the line of code I want to specify that give index from 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So now I will be like we can run it. So here you can see it will giving the mango only, because here I will be write like only 4 character you will be give. So it will giving the mango only. He will not giving the mango only. Okay, so now I will tell you till here. So now like I will be go to the here, and here we can I will be tell you like here we can write the hashtag print should be fruit like sorry, first of all I will be go to the here, and I will be see one thing. I will be see like here we can go, and it is coming like that. And now I will go and I will be copy it. Copy, paste. And now here we can write like 1, and now here we can write like 5, and here we can write like 0 and -3, and now here we can write like here we can go, and here we can write len should be fruit should be fruit, and here we can go, and here we can write like -3, and then we can will be run it. So here you can see the mango mama. Here it is coming like that. Here you can see it, but I will be comment out it. So I will be press alt, and you will be press alt, and you will be have mouse, and you will be click like that, then that, from here, then there, and here. So now we will be comment out it so easily as that. So now I will be like I did tweak is like I changed this is to -1. Like here we can write like print should be fruit should be -1 should be len should be fruit, and now here we can write like minus should be 3. And now, like here we can write like that. And so fruit is 5 minus 1 is 4. So now I will be done it. So here this coming nothing. Why? I will be tell you, because here the error is coming. I will be go and the 4 it. Sorry. I will be space it, then 4. And there I will be write like 4, and then 4 to 5 minus 3 is 2. And so there is no sense in 4 minus 4, it will be 2. And now including that, so I will be tell you in this class, I will be tell you like a slicing and operation on strings in Python. And I hope you can enjoy this class. And now I will be tell you all thing like that, and I will be give like the example also, and the output it is coming like that. And here you can see I will be tell you all thing, and slicing you will be copy it like then paste it, then you will be run it. So here it is coming the apple people and then apple pie, it is coming like that. I will give you example also, you will be copy it and you will be pasting, and then you will run it, it is coming like that. So now I hope you can enjoy this class, enjoy, like that video, share often, and subscribe to my channel. You will be not my access my playlist, and please access my playlist. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, good bye.